So welcome back, drifters. Today I'm actually going to help my buddy Chris out. We're going to be swapping a cam in a Corvette, so should be pretty fun, so stay tuned. So there's one thing I want y'all to know, and that is if you're ever doing a cam swap on a C6 Corvette, be prepared because it is a lot of work. I mean, just take a look at that mess. What the hell is all that? So it took us a while, but we got the old camshaft out as well as the old valve springs, because in order to run the Texas Speed Stage 2, you got to upgrade the valve springs to the beehive style. The only thing is we were running into issues with the push rod length as well as setting the valve lash, and I think it may have caused a major problem. Okay, so this has got to be the most complicated cam swap that I've ever done. It's supposed to be super simple, but we have run into nothing but problems. The other day we finally got it all together after a ridiculous amount of issues. Here's a clip of when we actually tried to start it. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. And that's because, well, one of the spark plugs got crushed. Take a look. That's not good. Ooh, that's not supposed to look like that. So yeah, it got destroyed. So now we're at the point where we did a cylinder leak down test, and it showed a like 60% drop in all cylinders, but it's oddly all the same, so I think my tool might just be broken. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull the head and see if there's any actual damage, because we really don't know what the hell is going on here. Okay, so it's that time. We're gonna pull the head and see just what we find underneath. So it's either gonna be really good or really bad.
Let's go see these, how fucked up the valves are.
Oh, please, please, please. How's it feel? Oh, I wanna cry. Oop. Okay. You got it? It's just the head gasket. You're fine. You're fine. Okay. Oh, the push rods. Ain't nobody need to know about that. Thank you, sir.
That head gasket is sticky, holy.
Yeah, it will, because it's compressed.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It is sticking. Why is it so stuck? Okay,
We're good?
Okay, we're good. Moment of truth. Oh, fuck.
Where is the valve?
They're broke off. Oh, fuck.
Is that coolant?
It's stuck in the piston.
Oh, fuck.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's beyond fucked.
So the block is fucked.
We need to put this down and take a look. That's not good. Bro. That's not good. That one's stuck in it.
Are we able to rotate the engine?
Well, here's the thing. It's inside the piston.
Fuck.
That is not good.
Because is the piston savable with this?
It depends, because that's pretty deep. That's a deep cut.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is definitely, like, it's stuck in the
Yeah.
piston. I've never seen that. So as you can tell, something went horrifically wrong in about all of the cylinders. You can see where it slapped, and this is an imprint of what used to be a chunk of piston. It's not supposed to look like that. That's very not good. And that's at least just this one side. We still have to see about the other side. So if you look here, you'll see that we're missing 3 valves in this one, and this piece is completely chipped. So we're hoping that we can get this thing fixed, but we really don't know. The damage does not look good.
This is rock bottom.
So we're pretty sure what happened was it slapped the piston, broke off, and then got impacted. Luckily, it only rotated like 1 or 2 times, but it was enough to do a ton of damage. Okay, so real quick, before you go typing a bunch of hate about how we're idiots and we screwed this stuff up, look, you don't have to tell me. I know. We made a mistake. I don't know what yet. It may be push rod length. It may be the valve adjustment. It may be timing being off by one tooth in the gear. I'm almost certain that we got the timing correct because I remember being extremely anal about that. But mistakes happen. It was about 3 a.m. when we finished putting that cam in. We were exhausted. There's a good chance that we overlooked something. So just please understand, we're real people. These are real expenses. This is not a cheap fix. I'm going to be helping him every step of the way to make sure this thing gets done and that we make it right, because I do not want to leave it like this. I want to make sure that he gets his car back the way that it was. So we're going to be doing that in the next couple videos. Obviously, the Mustang's going to have to take a back seat for now, but we'll get to it when we can. Right now, priority takes fixing this car and doing what we can. So I'm going to try to document as much of it as possible. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, try not to spread too much hate because I know it's coming. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good day.